we are going to do a precision glue to double secures that nails later, all the nails together. Just one drop of, smaller drop of the red. And using the dot tool from a twin tip brush, I mean from a crystal picker. I might drop one more drop. I think maybe too much red. And just use the dot tool from crystal pickers and just sort that. With this nails, I have the blue painted already. I am going to put the blossom gels, apply the blossom gel over it, and do not cure. Just all over the nails. And I'm going to using my twin tip brush, but then using both end. First, I'm going to use this end first. Pick up part of the gels that you would like to. And I'm using the other end. You can blend it the way you want it. You can add it on in any extra if you want to. I think it looks good. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds.